Hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I want to share with you my envelope folios and booklets and a storage box. Um, a while back, it's probably been about 4 months ago, I showed you one of the envelope folios. And don't let the name deceive you. It's not made out of envelopes. They're just made to look like an envelope, but they're made out of cardstock. I still don't have the storage box done yet, but I do have the two envelope folios and the two booklets. So I want to share this with you because, oh my gosh, I think they are wonderful. And I hope you will like them as well. So make sure that, if you like my videos, you like my content, and you don't ever want to miss out, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that way, every time that I upload a new video, you never miss out. You can purchase this over on my website. I will put the link down below for you to where you can go to purchase this so you can make them yourself. All right. These measure 8.5 by 8.5. There's two folios and then two booklets. All right. And one is decorated with the Summer Farmhouse collection from Carta Bella. This one here is decorated with the Harvest Market from Simple Stories. So we'll do the booklets first, okay? And I don't know why I just didn't say folios, because these wound up being a lot bigger than what I imagined. All right. So booklet number 1. I just used a ribbon closure. And these two here are decorated with the, it's a Hobby Lobby Christmas brand, okay? Oh, don't tell me I tied that in a double knot. I did. Yeah, it never fails when I'm on video. So I just used a ribbon closure to keep it all nice and tidy. And on the front here, oh, that ribbon was supposed to stay. All right, there we go. You have a pocket right here. And then this opens up. Then this opens up. And then you have a little pocket right here. It's a little insertion place. And then that opens up. Beautiful. And then this opens up. And again, you have a little insertion place right here for some photo mats. And then this opens up. So don't let the name fool you, because it's not made out of envelopes. It's all made out of cardstock. And then this opens up. And then you have a waterfall right here. So this will probably hold like 25 of your favorite photos. And then that flips. And that's the back, and there ain't a pocket there. All right. Oh, I'll tie that later. You don't want to see me tying. Okay, this is booklet number 2. And again, it's held by the ribbon. Oh, better show you. Oh, I didn't decorate the back. Oh my. I didn't get the back of it decorated, but that's okay. So then you have a pocket here with some photo mats. And then this opens up. And then you have a little insertion place here for some photo mats. Same thing over here. Okay. And then this flips open for that. I didn't decorate that either. Oh my gosh, I didn't even decorate that. Oh my. Didn't do that very well, did I? Okay. And then this opens up. And then you have a waterfall right here. It's been a while since I've done these. But how cute is that? This is booklet number 2. Okay. And then that just closes, and that closes. And then you just tie it. That keeps it all nice and tidy. And you could probably use magnets as well. But that's the 2 little booklets with this one. All right, let's get on to the folios. Oops. All right. So here's the envelope folio number 1. Like I said, it's decorated with Carta Bella. We decorated this one over on my Facebook page. But this opens up, and I ran the ribbon back behind, and then ran the ribbon back behind the paper here. And we pretty well used up every scrap that we had. We just used one collection kit. And this, I know this is probably going to be hard to keep on camera. But this folds down. This folds down again. And then you have this and this. Ain't that gorgeous? I'm trying to hold it up here. So then that folds in. This folds in. Okay. So this flips open. Look at that spread. Oh my gosh. I love this. This paper was so cute. So then you have a pocket right here. And then you have another pocket right here. And another pocket back behind. So you have this pocket and this pocket. Very cute. And really easy to make too. Anyway. And then this opens, and then these open up for that. And then you have a nice big pocket on the inside. Okay, that can hold quite a few photo mats. Really easy to make, guys, real easy. And I'm guessing these will probably hold about 50 of your photos. It makes, for a wonderful gift to someone. So that folds, then these fold up, then these fold in, and then this folds up, and then we just tie it shut. And like I said, I am working on a storage box to put these all in. So that will be coming. So if you purchase the tutorial, you will get the storage box whenever I get it all finished up, okay? Here is the envelope folio number 2. Again, it's held with the ribbon. Put the ribbon back behind my paper. Oh, these are just darling. And that flips up. Okay. And I know, again, this is going to be hard to get on camera. So then I just have a paper clip here to kind of keep everything nice and tidy. That opens up. Okay. Now I've just paper clipped on there. I was like, oh no, did I forget something? Then these open up like that. Ain't that cute? Very cute paper. And then that closes, and then that closes. Then I just use this paper clip just to keep it all nice and tidy. All right. I'm just going to put this back behind here. So then this opens, and then this opens, and these open up again for that and that. Okay. So then again, you have a pocket here and a pocket there. Just a little bit different style of a pocket. And then I just put some cards in here. But it makes for a very nice gift. Then this opens, and you have some pockets here. Then we have this. This is a pocket. Okay, and then here's a photo mat and some tags, and I just put some twine on those tags. Then this flips up. This flips down, and you have a little waterfall here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, this is such pretty paper. Such pretty paper. So then that folds down. This like that, and then this keeps this all nice and tidy, which is very cute. And this folds, that folds. This probably should go outside. There we go. So like that. And then this folds up. These come around, and this folds up. So just like that. And like I said, I am working on a storage box. So you can have these sit in a storage box. So, you know, you could, quite a few, 4 folios. These are littler. These will hold 25 each. These here will hold about 50 of your photos, okay? So if you would like to purchase it, the link will be down below, all right? All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me during while I wanted to show you these, because I think they are so cute, fast, easy to make, and easy to decorate, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.